Hello and welcome to another update video on HBAR. Yeah, on the HBAR chart, we're currently in a local uptrend from the Sunday low. In yesterday's video, or the video a couple of days ago, we already talked about these microstructures here, and I explained to you that in this move up from the wave 2 low on Sunday, we only have 3 waves. So I added together with you this micro support area for potentially a corrective sideways consolidation or a pullback to understand when the structure might break. And that is obviously at 14.3 cents. That's the 50% retracement level it's holding at the moment, however, which means we can keep the overall focus here on higher prices. This kind of 50% retracement level there is currently holding at 14.3 cents. So 14.3 cents is the pivot between bullish and bearish momentum. Please remember that the red line is the invalidation point, right? So what we have here is a so-called 1-2 setup. We have from the potential larger degree 4th wave low in April, have a 5-wave move up into the May high, highlighted here in blue. Other interpretations are possible, but it could be a wave 1. And then, I mean, to be fair, as long as that level is holding, it might even be a wider B wave that's unfolding. So 5 waves up in A, B wave pullback, C wave up. We need to consider that. That's possible. Only with a break below the Sunday low, I would assume the B wave has already topped. So we can watch for higher prices cautiously, as long as that Sunday low is holding. We can get a little bit more confidence that we are going up towards maybe 28 cents next, which is here the swing high from the 2nd of March and the strong resistance level and Fibonacci level up there. We can be a bit more confident if the market can generate a micro 5-wave move up from that Sunday low. Obviously, there are additional resistance levels along the way, like 18.4 cents and 22.9 cents. So these are just additional resistance levels to watch along the way. They should be broken if we're really in a C wave up or a 3rd wave up. But for now, the main focus isn't even on whether it's the white scenario or the blue scenario. The focus is on whether we actually have a local low in place. Because I tell you, should we break below the Sunday low, I mean, that is basically the market turned around just above the invalidation point. So we just need one more high, and then we have 5 waves up. And then I can call it 5 waves if the market gives us one more high before breaking below 14.3 cents. When we have 5 up, I can add support for the next pullback, corrective pullback that is, and then from there we can watch for higher prices and potentially a 3rd wave. So that's really the focus for today. It's important to note that as long as we're holding 14.3 cents, we can watch for that 5th wave. And the question might be, okay, where could it take us? Now, it's important also to mention that the 3rd wave is quite extended already. Not unusually extended, but beyond normal extensions. So we have the next upside targets there, but they are already in the 200 range. So the 200% extension, 15.9 cent level, that's kind of the next upside level to watch. And 16.3, 16.5 cents. These would all be common targets in this case for wave 5 of 1. There is additional resistance here, potentially structurally, at around 16.3 cents. So that might be one that you can pay attention to if the price can get there, because it's not only structural resistance, but also Fibonacci resistance. Yeah, that's the update on HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on X for additional content. This is where we share additional updates, some bonus updates, stuff about mindset, news. I share a lot of stuff personally and much more. Check it out. Link is in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.